lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to play with some of the color Polygel that I unboxed a couple of days ago. That is by SAVILAND. I will leave the link in the description box below. And the color that I'm going to be using from this kit is the Little Lilac. And there it is there. And I'm going to be using the clear and the white from ECBASKET. I'll link that video down below. Going to be using some of my lavender glitters as well. So the first thing you want to do on the nails is remove the shine from the nails and kind of etch the surface so that the polygel sticks to the nails. So I'm just using that with my portable drill. I don't really care too much for these tips, but I didn't feel like building out tips with the polygel. So I really don't love how these turned out, but that's my fault for being lazy. I should have gotten out my paper forms and built the tip, or just used shorter tips that I have that I actually like a little bit better. But anyways, so we are here now. So I've removed the shine. I'm gonna go ahead and add my primer to the nails. If this were an actual person, you would dehydrate the nails first and then add your 2 coats of primer. Okay, so here I was just gung-ho about using this polygel and I forgot to add my base coat. So I just wipe that off, add another coat of primer, and then add the base coat to all the nails. The base coat I'm using is from SAVILAND, and that is a little bit of a thicker base coat. I did cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I'm again using the 90-watt lamp that I unboxed a couple of days ago. So I will leave that in the description below as well as the cards above. So both of these polygels are really firm. The ECBASKET and the SAVILAND, they're both really firm polygels, which is good because the polygel stays in place. You don't have to chase it around the nail. Also, you don't have to cure each nail once you complete it or whatever. So you can just move on to the next nail. I do flash cure. Well, actually, I cure for 30 seconds, and with this 90-watt lamp, it actually cures the nail. And please ignore my hangnails and my cuticles, but the 90-watt lamp actually cures the polygel, even the white polygel, in 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna go in and build the nails out, play with some glitters, and I will pop in from time to time. On this nail, I didn't want to put too much polygel near the cuticle area because I didn't want that to be bulky. I knew I was going to go in with the glitter and encapsulate. So I knew that I was going to put enough glitter to cover all of that up. What I really just needed was something for the glitter to stick there down by the cuticle area. So I'm just going in with some glitter here, doing a little bit of a glitter ombre. So I cured that for 30 seconds. Again, I'm using a 90-watt lamp and it does fully cure the polygel in 30 seconds. If you're using like a 32 or 48-watt lamp, you do want to cure that for the full minute. Or if it's a white polygel, sometimes those take up to 2 minutes. So the only reason I'm curing for 30 seconds is because I'm using the 90-watt lamp. And so here I'm just encapsulating the glitter, and this is so when I do my filing and my shaping and my filing, I don't file off the glitter. The first layer of polygel I used was the Little Lilac, and again it was cured in 30 seconds as you saw in the video. And I kind of wanted to do a white cuticle area, so anything that's on top of the lilac, the lavender, it's actually going to come off in filing. So I didn't file the lilac into the perfect oval shape. I felt it came out pretty good, and I'm just playing with the polygel here. If this was my nails or someone else's nails, then I would have filed around that area, but I felt it came out good enough for the purpose of a practice video to not file that lilac into the perfect shape. If I use this technique on myself, I definitely would film that for you guys. So again, don't worry about the white getting on top of the lavender. When I say lavender, lilac, same color. Don't worry about that getting on top. Again, that's going to come off with filing. So you see me here curing the rest of the nail for 30 seconds. So I guess I forgot that I had already encapsulated this glitter nail in clear, and so I just add more clear polygel to it. It's fine. I can file it. I'm going to file and shape the nail anyway, but yeah, so I encapsulated the nail twice. So all in all, working with this polygel, it is firm. So you have to keep that in mind. It's not gonna spread as easily. You're gonna have to use a little bit of pressure. The white spots that I had on the nail were from the slip solution, and that just came off with alcohol. So I did do my filing and shaping off camera. This polygel, I was able to file everything with just my hand file. I didn't have to use my e-file. So even though it's firm, it is easy to file. So as I'm top coating, I just wanted to point out, this is a thicker top coat, and you will see that it's really shiny. So after I cure it, it's still pretty shiny. All in all, I have to get used to working with firmer polygels because most of the polygels I have are pretty soft. So that's why I really wanted to just play with it. So I'm going to play with these firmer polygels more, and just to get in the hang of working with them a little bit better. Anyways, guys, I do appreciate you watching my video. Let me know what you think down below. I know that some of you have responded that you do have some of the SAVILAND polygels. Let me know how those worked out for you. Do you guys have any ECBASKET polygel? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys back on Wednesday for another video. Thanks so much for watching.